If you drive a W204 C-Class, you know that tired, sticky gear knob can absolutely ruin the whole driving experience. This replacement claims to bring back that factory-fresh feel, but can a generic part really deliver premium performance and comfort? We're looking at the AP02 car gear shift knob, designed specifically for the 2007 to 2015 C-Class models. This isn't just the knob. It comes complete with the shift boot frame, which is essential for a clean, integrated install. The first thing anyone worries about with an aftermarket part is the fitment, especially on a Mercedes. The manufacturer promises easy installation, and honestly, it seems genuinely straightforward. You remove the old one, grasp that little white plastic sleeve on the shaft, and simply push this new one into place. No complicated tools, no fighting with clips. That's a massive win for the DIY crowd. Now, let's talk about the feel. The description highlights high-quality materials, emphasizing durability and wear resistance. Holding it, the handlebar feels substantial and well-made, certainly not cheap plastic. This is crucial because the shift knob is the most tactile point of contact you have with the car besides the steering wheel. The comfortable design translates directly into performance. A better grip means faster, smoother shifting, and that stable performance prevents your hand from slipping during aggressive driving. It's about improving driving safety and vehicle efficiency simultaneously. If your original knob is loose or the material is peeling, upgrading to this responsive, high-performance lever head will genuinely enhance your control. For W204 owners looking for a quick, affordable, and high-quality refresh, this AP02 knob seems to hit all the right marks. It delivers on its promise of comfort and reliable performance, making those gear changes feel crisp again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.